Enjoy the view of this 2019 Ford Explorer. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in this Ford Explorer, the midsize SUV with a commanding presence and technology that lets you customize your driving experience. Whether you're towing, negotiating rough terrain, or simply cruising the scenic route, this can-do vehicle infuses every excursion with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, V6 cylinder engine. Count on Explorer to make your adventures all they can be. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.